Okay. Uh, let's start. Okay, start for Tuesday, 8:40 to 9:40 a.m., 29th of March 2022. Chapter 2. So for mathematics, you need to do the exercises, follow the module that I uploaded in WhatsApp or Google Classroom, not from textbook. The examples mostly are from textbook. Okay. So we look at exercise 1. You need to do exercise 1 to 17, page 7 to 9. So topic 2, number bases. So this A, okay, is a number. This one, small n is called base. So there will be base 2, base 3. They starting from base 2, base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5, base 6, base 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So for base 2, they involve 2 digits. We start from 0 and 1. If base 3 got 3 digits, 0, 1, 2. Base 4 got 4 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we start off with convert to base 10. From any base, convert to base 10. So example 1, what is the place value? If you put place value, got the word place of digit 2. So we look at digit 2. Okay. So digit 2, 6231, 6231, base 8. So digit 2, okay, the place value for base 8. So 8 power, okay. How we know is 2? 8 power 2. It's not from this 2, okay. It's from here, okay. Here start with 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. This is 8 power 3. So because we want to have the place value of digit 2, so 8 power 2. So we get answer 64. Then I can use calculator. And let's say they say, what is the place value of digit 6? Then will be 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. 8 power 3, then what is your value? Okay. If you say place value of digit 1 will be 8 power 0, this 8 power 0, what is the value? If you say digit 3 will be 8 power 1, what is the value? Okay, that is the meaning. So example 2, what is the value? Now is no place value, it's the value of digit 1 in base 10. So this base 2, this is base 5. So base 2, so the change to base 10. Start off with digit 1, this digit 1. So this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 times 1, I get 2. Just now you don't multiply the 1 because place value. If just value digit, you need to multiply. Okay. Then for digit 1 is over here. Here will be 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. This 5 power 2 times 1. 5 power 2 times 1, you get 25. Then example 3, express 110 base 2 to base 10. So now you want to express the whole thing, not digit anymore. So start with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and 2 power 2. So let's say 110 base 2. So start with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So 2 power 0 times 0, 2 power 1 times 1, 2 power 2 times 1. So we get 2 power 2 times 1 is 4, 2 power 1 times 1 is 2, and 2 power 0 times 0 is 0. Then 3 of it add together, 4 plus 2 plus 0, you get 6 base 10. Okay. or you can use calculator to check your answer. Okay, if it's paper one, no problem. Paper two, you need to show the workings. Okay, but next slide will show you how to use calculator. So before that, sometimes you can use calculator for certain base only. Okay, base 2, base 10, and base 8 only. The rest of the base cannot use calculator. So that is why you need to learn how to calculate manually. Okay. So if let's say you want to use calculator, you must be Casio FX570 and above. So you press mode, then you press base, base, then press 3. Okay. Then you press bin, because bin meaning base 2. Then from base 2, okay, you click that, because that is the gate base 10. So you get the answer 6 base 10. Again, later on, I'll show you how. You'll see a video clip. B change to 26 base 8 to base 10. So this one is base 2, you use 2. Now base 8, you use 8. So 8 power 0 and 8 power 1. So it's 8 power 0, 8 power 1. So 6 times 8 power 0, and then 2 times 8 power 1. So you get 2 times 8 power 1 is 16. 6 times 8 power 0 is 6. Then both add up together, you get 22 base 10. So C, express 142 base 5 as a number in base 10. Base 5, you cannot use calculator. So you have to calculate manually. So base 1 to 10 is base 5, so it's 5 power 0, 5 power 1, and 5 power 2. So 5 power 0, 5 power 1, and 5 power 2. Okay, so times 142, 142. 5 power 0 times 2, 5 power 1 times 4, and 5 power 2 times 1. So you get 25. 25 plus 20 plus 2, you get 47 base 10. Okay, only can use base 2 and base 8 and base 10 for calculator. Bin is for 2, odd is for 8, and that is for 10. Okay, so we look at collection process. Okay, collection process convert base 10 to base to other base. Okay, so if collection process, you need to draw diagram. Okay, so we look at example 4. Okay, this now is base other base change to base 10. Now is base 10 to other base. Okay, represent 25 as a number in base 2. So this one is 25, they didn't put base 10, and this is base 10. Normally, the number that you calculate usually is called base 10, but they don't write down base 10. Because automatic, people know it's base 10. So now you need to convert 25 to base 2, but on collection process. Okay, so you must know that base 2, base 2 is this one 2. 2 power 5, you get 32. 32 is more than 25. Okay, so why I don't use 2 power 4? Because 2 power 4, I get 16. 16 is less than, uh, you can try 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, and 2 power 5. And then you get 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5, you get 32. 32 is more than 25. So we can use 2 power 5, then only we use 2 power 4. That's how we calculate the process, which one to choose. Okay, maybe you will ask, why would circle? Can I use other Other method like triangle, rectangle, can, up to you. But you want to fast, then do something fast like circle, basic one lah, triangle or rectangle or square. Up to you, this one shape. But you need to make it fast because our math is not drawing, it's just a concept. Okay, calculation. So from here, I need to get 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. That means 16 circles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So total 16 circles. Then after 2 power 4, I get 2 power 3. Okay. 2 power 3, what you get? You get 8. Okay, because maximum is 2 power 4, not 2 power 5 anymore. So 2 power 4, and then there's 2 power 3, then 2 power 2, 2 power 1, and 2 power 0. Why I use 2 power 3 is 8. 8 plus 16, what do you get? Okay, 8 plus 16 is 24. So still inside the 24, 25, not yet achieved. So you must add in this one. 2 power 3 equal to 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, then 2 power 2. It means got 1 left to get 25. From 24, you want to get 25. 2 power 2, can you use 2 power 2? 2 power 2 cannot because it's 4. More than 1. 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1 is 2. More than 1. Then 2 power 0 is 1. You can use calculator to check. Why 2 power 0 is 1, not 0? Anything power with 0 is 1. Is 5 power 0 also 1. 1000 power 0 also 1. So 2 power 0 is 1. So it's total add up 16, 18, 8 and 1, you get 25. So 2 power 0 is 1, you write 1 here. Okay, so from here I know is 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, and 2 power 0. 2 power 4 got 1 of it, 1 only. 2 power 4 plus 1 times 16. 1 times 2 power 4 is 1 times, you get 16. If 2 times 2 power 4 is not 16 anymore, double. Okay, then 2 power 3 got 1. Okay, 1, 2 power 3. And then 2 power 2, none, so 0. 2 power 1, also none, so 0. 2 power 0 got 1, so I put 1. So answer is 11001. Or you can represent like this: 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. Here got 1, 1. 2 power 3 got 1, 1. 2 power 2, none, 0. 2 power 1, none, 0. 2 power 0 is 1, so 1. So total is 11001 base 2. Because base 2, the maximum for either 0 or 1 only. That's why 0 and 1 is inside. Okay. Now, you need to convert base 10 to other base. Like this one 25, I want to change to base 10 to base 2. This one, it didn't write down correction process. So you use this method. Okay. So just now, other base to base 10 is you multiply and then add up. This one is you divide. From multiply, change to divide. Then from base 10 to other base. Okay. So you divide. So how to divide? So you divide 25. Okay. So from here, you can use the calculator. Okay. So from calculator, you can press and see. If let's say 25, you want to divide, because base 2, you have to everything divide with 2. Okay. So 25 divided by 2, you get 12.5. So you don't ignore the decimal. You put 12 only, maximum. Because 12 times 2, you get 24. So 25 minus 24, remainder is 1. So you can write here R, and it's called remainder, so that you know where to put the 1. Is on top or bottom. So if you don't put R, you took the 1 on top, and in the end, you end up 1 more digit is wrong. So you put R. Okay, so 1, 1, remainder 1. Then you divide 2 again with the 12, because 6 times 2 you get 12, so remainder is 0. Then you divide 2 again, 3 times 2 is 6, remainder is 0. Then you divide 2 again, 1 times 2 you get 2, 3 minus 2, remainder 1. Then you divide 2 again, because ending must be 0. Here because cannot be 1, because 1 times 2 you get 2. 1 minus 2 we get negative, so cannot be negative. So that 0 times 2 you get 0. 1 minus 0, remainder 1. Okay, that is how you get answer 11001. So answer 11001 base 2. Same answer, different method. Okay, this one usually we use this method faster. In this one only for correction process. So just now base 10 to base 5, also you divide by base 5. Okay, so if you want to correction process, this is the method correction process. This one is normal method. Okay, so how to use correction process? Because I know 5 power 2 is 25, less than 28. If 5 power 3 is 125. So 525 is more than 28. Cannot use 5 power 3. We must use 5 power 2 maximum. So 5 power 2, 25. So we must have 25. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25. So 25, another 5 power 2, then will be 5 power 1. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 plus 25 is 30. Cannot use 5 power 1. So it must be 5 power 0. So 5 power 0, you get 1. If 1 plus 25, you get 26 only. You get 28. So in the end, you must use 3 of 5 power 0. 3 times 1, you get 3. Then plus 25, you get 28. So total, this is how you find the answer. 5 power 2, 5 power 1, and 5 power 0. 5 power 2 is got 1 only. 5 power 1 is none. And then 0. That means 5 power 0, you get 3. So 3. So answer is 103. 103 base 5. Or we can put 5 power 2, 5 power 1, 5 power 0. Here is 1. Here is 0. Here is 3. 103. Then if you want to express 28 as a number in base 5, so you divide by 5. So divide everything in 5. So 28 divided by 5. So I know 5 times 5 is 25. So 28 minus 25, remainder is 3. Then divide 5 again. 5 divided by 5, you get 1 times 5, you get 5. So remainder is 0. And then divide by 5 again, because 1 is more than 5, then it must be 0. Ending must be 0. 0 times 5, you get 0. So remainder 1 minus 0 is 1. So answer 103 from bottom to top. So base 5 usually cannot check answer. Okay. Can you use calculator to check answer? Just now can. This one actually can use calculator to check the answer. Okay, because from base 10, DEC you add, you press, you change to bin, you get the answer in base 2. But later on I'll show you, not now, during today lesson. Okay, so today now no more. Okay, so that's all. So if you want me to show you the slide also can. But I think, okay, I'll show you next time. I'll show you the next on Thursday, because that one got other base change to base 10, then change to other base. From progress straight away can change to other base, don't need to go to base 10. Okay.